Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to update your iPhone. So now without any further ado, let's begin with the steps. So first of all, launch Settings application on your mobile device. Now once you are here, simply scroll down below and select the option of General. Now once you are here, just tap on the option of Software Update. Now, once you are here and if you see a pop-up of new iOS software update, just tap on the option of update now and you will be able to update your iPhone. So in my case, you can see that I have recently updated my iPhone to its latest version, and you can also see the iOS version that I have been using and that my iOS is up to date. So you can also select the option of automatic updates. And you can see that the toggle for all these options have been turned on, which means that your iPhone will automatically be updated when your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi. If you do not wish to update your iPhone automatically, you can also turn the toggle off for these options. So in case of automatically download iOS updates option, if you turn this toggle off, this means that your iPhone will not automatically be updated from now and it will ask for your permission to update. So follow these easy steps and you will be able to update your iPhone. And that's all for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.